Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to mute your WhatsApp notification from your Android or any phone. So let's start the video. Go to your mobile setting and after that click on the apps and notifications. There you click on the WhatsApp and after that click on the app notifications and here is on and do this off. So friends, no notification appear in your WhatsApp contacts, nobody will disturb you. You can use one time in a day or as your desires. So friends, I hope you like this video. So friends, thank you for watching.